Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of our technology solution. This is Bolems Tech Solution. If you are viewing our video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to on your notification so as for you to be notified anytime we drop a new video. And if probably you are a returning viewer, feel free to drop a review, like, comment, and don't forget to share with others as well so as for them to gain from this knowledge. Yeah, based on today's episode of our technology solution, what we'll be revealing today is how to make a screen record or to make a screenshot on your laptop. Probably you are using your laptop for a particular project or for anything, and you wanted to make a screen record or you wanted to make a screenshot and you found it difficult to do that. Here is the easy step to take. Within few seconds, then you will get it done. Here it is. To make a screenshot, just click on Window plus G. Immediately you click on Window plus G, a particular interface will pop up. Then you click on that particular icon that looks like camera. Immediately you click on that particular icon that looks like camera. Whatever you have on your screen at that moment will be screenshotted directly to your folders. And if probably you wanted to make a screen record, you click on Window plus G again. Then you click on that particular icon that looks like dots, full stop, that tick dot. You click on it, then it will do what? Whatever you have on your screen at that moment will start recording. It will do what? It will start recording immediately. It is as easy as that. And probably when you are done and you are finding it difficult to get whatever you did on your system and you don't know where it's saved, it is very easy. Just look for folder that is written as caption. What do I mean by caption? Click on your videos, then you surely see a folder at the top written as caption. So immediately you open that caption folder, then you see everything you've screen recorded or everything you've screenshotted on your system. You will find everything there. It is as easy as that. Don't forget, if you want to screenshot, click on Window plus G, then you click on that particular icons that looks like camera. And if probably you want to make a screen record, you click on Window plus G, then you click on that particular icon that looks like full stop. You can as well click on Window plus Alt plus R. Window plus Alt plus R to do what? To make a screen record. You can as well click on Window plus Alt plus R to make a screen record. It is as easy as that. And if probably you want to mute the sound of the environment, you click on the mic beside it. And if you want the sound in the environment to reflect in your video, you on the mic. It is as easy as that. Just follow the simple steps we mentioned, then you will surely get it done. It is as easy as that. If this video is helpful, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with others as well, so as for them to gain from this knowledge. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for streaming my videos. See you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.